What if I told you that AI could predict your sleep problems weeks before you even realize you have them? Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's happening right now. Every night, millions of people struggle with sleep issues. But here's the thing. Most sleep problems don't just appear overnight. They build up slowly, like a snowball rolling downhill. By the time you notice you're exhausted, the damage is already done. But what if we could catch these problems before they spiral out of control? Modern AI analyzes thousands of data points from your daily life. Your work schedule, caffeine intake, exercise patterns, meal timing, even your screen time. It processes all this information to spot patterns you'd never notice yourself. For example, AI might detect that every time you work late 3 nights in a row, your sleep quality crashes on the 4th night. Or it might predict that shift workers who don't adjust their light exposure will struggle with their circadian rhythm within 48 hours. Imagine getting a gentle alert saying your sleep quality may drop tomorrow night, along with specific actions to prevent it from happening. The difference? One person suffers through another sleepless night while the other sleeps peacefully. But this isn't just about sleep. Poor sleep affects everything. Your focus, work performance, relationships, and physical health all suffer in a domino effect. AI prediction acts as an early warning system, protecting your entire well-being. The future of sleep isn't about fixing problems after they happen. It's about preventing them entirely. Want to learn more about optimizing your sleep? Check the description or pinned comment for a free AI tool I made specialized to help you improve your sleep. And subscribe for more weekly tips.